Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we have a taquera sauce without avocado. We are gonna need medium tomatillos, zucchini, white onion, serrano chili, garlic, fresh cilantro, cooking oil, salt, and black pepper to taste. Let's get started. Just cut the zucchini into small pieces. Place the tomatillos and zucchini in a pot and bring to a boil for about 10 minutes. In a skillet with oil, add onion, garlic, and serrano chilies. For a mild sauce, use only half of serrano seeds. Saute the ingredients for 3 to 5 minutes, cooking until look a little golden. Not as much as mine, okay? Add to the blender and set aside. And when the tomatillos change from a bright green to an olive green, strain and let them rest to cool down and set aside. And in the same blender with other ingredients, combine tomatillos, chiles, onions, cilantro, salt, and black pepper to taste. Blend everything together for 1 to 2 minutes until you get a smooth sauce. This consistency is perfect. I can eat avocado, and believe me, you can feel the avocado flavor, but you know you didn't add it. It's crazy, but perfect for my stomach. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. We have new recipes every Wednesdays, and next week I will have for you a new Mexican recipe, birria tacos, my healthy version. She's Candy, my coton de tulear. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, but today she's not in my kitchen. So I leave this video with my husband, my girl Candy, and I. Bye! See you next time!